So there are two main questions that people with type 2 diabetes ask. Is the keto diet safe for me, and can I improve my condition with keto? But hold on, what if there's a way to combine safety and health improvement, both at the same time? Hello everybody, this is Brandon, and guys, I received a ton of questions about the keto diet and diabetes. The amount didn't really surprise me because according to the World Health Organization, the number of people with diabetes rose from 108 million in 1980 to 422 million in 2014. The concern on how to manage this condition grows accordingly with these impressive numbers. So let's see if it's possible to safely improve your condition with the keto diet. I'll be honest, diet is super important for type 2 diabetes. You see, the foods that contain carbs are the main fuel source. The body uses insulin to help bring glucose from the blood into the cells for energy. But when you have diabetes, insulin is either absent or it doesn't work properly. This distracts your body's ability to use carbs effectively and increases higher sugar levels in the blood. If you eat a high carb meal, this can lead to a spike in blood glucose, and well, the keto diet restricts carbs. You see where I'm going? When it comes to diabetes management, how much you eat is important, but what you're eating is perhaps even more significant. The keto diet is high-fat, low-carb diet plan which reduces carb intake. With carbs pretty much out of the picture, the body needs another way to fuel itself. So if it uses fat, which is broken down into ketones that become the body's primary energy source, once that happens, your body enters ketosis, which means your body switches its fuel source to stored fat. So does it mean we have some good news for diabetes? Definitely. Since blood glucose levels are lower when carb intake is reduced and ketones don't increase blood glucose levels, diabetes is better kept in control. Also, keto diet has a ton of links to big improvements in insulin sensitivity and higher rates of fat loss that are related to better diabetes management. As you may know, obesity is a risk factor that can cause type 2 diabetes. A keto diet can help lose weight efficiently or become an effective way for type 2 diabetes prevention. According to studies, people restricting their carbs lose 2 to 3 times as much weight as on other diets. Wouldn't you like to be one of those lucky people? There is plenty of scientific proof related to keto benefits on type 2 diabetes. Keto diets have been used since the 1920s as a therapy for epilepsy because they help control seizures. From the 1960s onwards, they've become widely known as one of the most common methods for obesity treatment. But there's a rising mountain of evidence that keto helps manage diabetes as well. There's one study that found that the ketogenic improved insulin sensitivity by a giant 75%. Another study from 2017 showed that people with type 2 lost weight, needed less medication, and lowered their A1C when they followed the keto diet for a year. Honestly, I could go on and on about the different studies, but the fact of the matter is simple. There is a ton of evidence that the keto diet can help manage type 2 diabetes safely. But if you're someone with type 2 diabetes and decide to go on a keto diet, there's a few essential things to remember. The keto diet can be confusing to get into, and most people follow the general keto information they find online. Can you relate? So just don't do this. The one-size-fits-all approach can create nutritional imbalances, which can cause cravings and irritability. That's the last thing you need when you're trying to lose weight and manage your type 2 diabetes. Be sure to test blood sugar levels throughout the day and make sure that they're within the target range. The American Diabetes Association recommends testing for ketones if your blood sugar is higher than 240 milligrams per deciliter. Also, every person has different dietary needs. Your doctor can help you individualize diet plans based on current eating habits, preferences, and a target weight or blood sugar level. Your doctor needs to monitor both blood glucose and ketone levels to make sure that the diet isn't causing any negative effects on your body. Once your body adjusts to the diet, you may still need to see your doctor once or twice a month for testing and medication adjustments. So, to make it clear, yes, the keto diet is safe for type 2 diabetes and can help improve your condition when you follow professional tips and guidance. So if you want to start the keto diet, watch our video, How to Start the Keto Diet in 6 Simple Steps. And if you want to understand which foods to choose for the keto diet, then check out our video, The Ultimate Zero Carb Food List for Beginners. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Insider for more health-related videos.